Okay, so a short video after a few hours of fiddling on how to reinstall the door of a Zanussi wall oven. You probably already know that you need to make sure that this little cut here fits in the oven right here. So on the lower edge there of the opening, two openings of your oven, so right here. But the difficulty, of course, with the Zanussi one is that there is no little latch to make sure that the hinge remains in the open position. So makes it more clear like this. So after a lot of fiddling, I suddenly found out that what you need to do is to put a nail, preferably, or something else like a wire or something hard, in this hole here. So not this one, which you can also use, but then it's not quite practical to put the entire hinge into the opening. So you need to use this other one, the small one here, and put a pin right in. And actually, it's best to do this when you're removing the door. So at that point, when you completely open the door, you put the pin right in, and it's much easier to get the door removed if you do it like this. You can just pull then. Now, with this pin right in, so I've just clicked it right in, and now I'm gonna just leave it open like this in the completely open position, and now I can remove the nails like this, and like this, and it closes again.